Welcome students in our mathematics lecture 4. In the last lecture, we studied about the problems on the topic statement, truth value of the statement. Now, in this lecture, we will study tautology, contradiction, contingency, and problems on these topics. First, we see the definition of tautology. A statement whose truth values is true for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime components is called a tautology. See here, a statement whose truth value is true. दिलेल्या स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू जर ट्रू असेल फॉर ऑल पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स ऑफ ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ प्राईम कॉम्पोनंट्स, त्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये असलेले जेवढे पण प्राईम कॉम्पोनंट्स असतील त्यांच्या पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशनसाठी जर ती ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू स्टेटमेंटची ट्रू असेल तर आपण त्या स्टेटमेंटला टॉटॉलॉजी असं म्हणणार. जनरली स्टेटमेंट टॉटॉलॉजी इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर t. Consider the example for tautology. It is P or negation P. For understand this, we consider the truth table. Now for this statement, P and negation P, these are the prime components. So we consider all the possible combinations for these prime components here. For the first combination, the disjunction for T or F is T and F or T is T. We observe here for both the possible combinations the truth value of the given statement means P or negation P is true. Or also we can say that since all the entries in the last column of the statement are T, that means true. We say the statement is a tautology. And since here all the truth values for P or negation P are T, hence it is tautology. Now next definition of contradiction. A statement whose truth value is false. When it is tautology, the truth value is true. Now for the contradiction, the truth value of statement is false for all the possible combinations of truth values of prime components. Then we say the statement is contradiction. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला सर्व कॉम्बिनेशनसाठी प्राईम कॉम्पोनंट्सच्या सर्व कॉम्बिनेशनसाठी त्या स्टेटमेंटची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ही फॉल्स असेल त्यावेळेला ते स्टेटमेंट जे आहे त्याला आपण कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन असं म्हणणार. Generally the contradiction is denoted by small letter c. Now we consider one example for contradiction is P and negation P. To understand this, we first consider the truth table. So here the combinations are T, F and FT. For the first combination, that is T and F, it is F. F and T, it is F. Because here we take conjunction and we know the conjunction of two statements is true if and only if both the statements are true. And here we observe that one of the two statements is false and therefore here the truth value in both the cases is false here. Or we can say that since the last column, in the last column all the entries are F and so the given statement that is P and negation P is contradiction. So here I write since all the truth values for P and negation P are F, hence it is contradiction. Now next one is contingency. Now when we say the statement is contingency, a statement pattern which is neither tautology nor a contradiction is called a contingency. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला ते स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न हे टॉटॉलॉजी असणार नाही किंवा कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन सुद्धा असणार नाही, त्या केसमध्ये ते कंटिंजन्सी असेल. म्हणजे मग काय लक्षात येतंय तुमच्या की त्या स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नचा जो लास्ट कॉलम असेल, म्हणजे ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज असतील स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नच्या, दीज आर द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टी अँड एफ. ते जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काही व्हॅल्यूज, ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज ह्या ट्रू असतील तर काही ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज ह्या फॉल्स असतील. त्या केसमध्ये आपण त्याला म्हणणार कंटिंजन्सी. सो कन्सिडर द एक्झाम्पल इज P and Q. All of you are well known about the truth table for P and Q. When we see the topic conjunction, I explained this table here. So again I can explain that. I explain here. For all the combinations here, for first combination T and T, it is T, T and F, F, F and T, F, F and F, F. Because we know the conjunction of two statements is true only when both the statements are true, otherwise it is false. And here, since all the entries in last column are neither true nor false, म्हणजे शेवटच्या कॉलम मधल्या सगळ्या एंट्रीज ह्या T नाही किंवा F सुद्धा नाही. It is the combination of both, and so here P and Q is contingency. Now we move towards problems on these topics. So our first problem is, the common instruction is construct the truth table for each of the following statement patterns. So the first statement pattern is given to you here. P implies Q and Q, and this whole statement implies P. Now here first we draw the truth table. So in the solution, the truth table for the given statement pattern is as below. Here in the truth table we require the columns as, here the prime components are P, Q. These are the prime components. And to find the truth table for given statement pattern, we need first to find P implies Q, and after that P implies Q and Q, and lastly our required statement pattern. So here I write all the possible combinations of P and Q here. So for this combination, first we find P implies Q. So we know the implication is false only when first statement is false and first statement is true and second statement is false here. And so here entries in this column are T implies T, T, T implies F, F, F implies T, T, F implies F, T. Now our third column is P implies Q and Q. Means we have to take conjunction of P implies Q and Q. So here T and T, it is T, F and F, it is F, T and T, it is T, T and F, it is F. Similarly, the truth table for our required statement pattern, that is, we take the implication of P implies Q and Q and T. Again, I explained that here the implication is false only when first statement is true and the second statement is false. So see here, P implies T, it is T. F implies T, it is T. T implies F. Here the first statement is true, second statement is false, and so the truth value is false. Next, F implies F, it is true. And this is the truth table for the given statement pattern. Now, the second statement pattern is P and Q double implies Q or R. Here the prime components are P, Q, R. So, in the solution, the truth table for the statement pattern is as below. Here, we consider all the possible entries in all the three prime components. These are the combinations. Combination we read it as TTT, TTF, TFT, TFF, FTT, FTF, FFT and FFF. Okay, how take these combinations we study in probability in the last year. Now, from these components, now we find one by one required statements, truth value for required statements. So, first we require conjunction for P and Q. Conjunction of P, Q. So, here T and T is T, T and T is T, T and F, F, T and F, F, F and T, F, F and T, F, F and F, F, F and F, F. Now here in the next column we require truth values for Q or R. So we use here combinations for Q, R. Now here we take disjunction. That means here the truth value is true. Either one of the statement is true. Otherwise it is false. So here T or T, T. T or F, T. F or T, T. F or F, F. Because here both the statements have truth value false. And so their disjunction is again false. Next one is T and T. T or T. T. T or F, T, F or T, T, F or F, F. Now, we take double implication for P and Q or R. Now, we know the double implication is true only when both the components have same truth value. Now, here the components are P and Q, Q or R. So, when both the components have same truth value, the truth value for the given statement is true, otherwise it is false. So here T double implies T, T, T double implies T, T, F double implies T, F, because here both components have different truth values. So the double implication is false. Now here F double implies F, T. F double implies T, F. F double implies T, F. F double implies T, F. And F double implies F, T. And this is the required truth table for the given statement pattern here. Now, next example 2. The common instruction is that using truth table, prove the following logical equivalences. आपल्याला खाली काही लॉजिकल इक्विव्हॅलन्सेस दिलेले आहेत आणि ते आपल्याला इथे प्रूव्ह करायचे. इन द लास्ट लेक्चर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द लॉजिकल इक्विव्हॅलन्स. व्हेन वी से द स्टेटमेंट इज टू स्टेटमेंट्स आर लॉजिकली इक्विव्हॅलंट if their truth tables are identical. That means if all the entries in the last column of the given statements are same, then we say two statements are logically equivalent. So first problem is that here negation of P or Q or negation P and Q are logically equivalent to negation P. So in the solution we consider the truth table. Here I give some name to each column. Here total there are 7 columns. Now we consider here the components as P and Q. Now we consider all the possible combinations for these two statements here, compound statements. Now from P we write here negation P, because we require negation P to find the truth value here. Now first we find P or Q, means disjunction of P, Q. Now disjunction, the truth value for disjunction is true if one of the statement is true, otherwise it is false. दोघांपैकी एक स्टेटमेंट जरी ट्रू असलं तरी त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ही ट्रू असेल, अदरवाइज ते फॉल्स असेल. म्हणजे दोघं फॉल्स असतील तेव्हा ते फॉल्स असेल. नाव सी हियर, टी और टी, टी, टी और एफ, टी, एफ और टी, टी, एफ और एफ, एफ. Now in the next fifth column we write there its negation, that means negation of P or Q. Negation means when the statement is true, negation is false. So here it is the truth table for negation P or Q, means F, 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 T. Now in the sixth column we require to find conjunction for negation P and Q, means negation P and Q. We use compound statements as here negation P, Q. So here their conjunction is true only when both the statements are true. So F and T is F, F and F is F, T and T it is T, T and F it is false. Now we require to find disjunction of column number 5 and 6. To get the LHS, we require to find disjunction of column number 5 and 6. So here, when one of the statement is true, the truth value is true, otherwise it is false. So here F or F, F, F or F, F, F or T, T, T or F, T. Now we have to prove here logical equivalence for these two statements. That means for our column number 7 and column number 3. Now if we see all the entries in column number 7 and 3, we observe these entries are F, F, T, T in both the case. That means all the entries in the column 7 and 3rd are identical. And since they are identical, therefore given two statements are logically equivalent. So I write here by using the notation. Now the second example. Consider that example, negation of P double implies Q is logically equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So here we require P and Q statements. So we construct the truth table. Here there are total 8 columns. In the first 2 columns, we write the possible combinations for P, Q. Now, in the third column, we require here negation P and also we require negation Q. Now, first of all, we find double implication for P, Q here. So, P double implies Q. We know the double implication is true only when both the statements have the same truth value. So here when P and Q have same truth value, the truth value for double implication is true. Okay, remember that. So here T double implies T, T, T double implies F, F, F double implies T, F, F double implies F. Now we require its negation also. So find negation of P double implies Q. It is so simple. When it is true, negation is false. So here these are the entries for negation of P double implies Q. F, T, T, F. Now P and negation Q. P and negation Q. We require here to find the conjunction of P and negation Q. So T and F, it is F. P and negation Q. So T and F, it is F. T and T, it is true. F and F, it is F. F and T, it is F. These are the entries in P and negation Q. Now we require to find P and negation Q and negation P. So Q and negation P. These two columns we use here. Entries in two columns we use to find the conjunction. So T and F, it is F. F and F, it is F. T and T, it is T. F and T, it is F. So entries in Q and negation P are F, F, T, F. Now we find disjunction of P and negation Q and Q and negation P. Means we take the disjunction for column number 6 and 7 here. So remember that the disjunction is true only when out of both the two statements, one of the statement is true. So F or F, F, T or F, T, F or T, T, F or F, F. Now this column number 5 represents our LHS statement and column number 8 represents our RHS. If we see the entries in these two columns, we observe these entries are identical and these are F, T, T, F. And so since column 5 and 8 are identical, therefore given two statements are logically equivalent. Now we move towards our third example. The common instruction is examine whether the following statement pattern is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. म्हणजे खाली तुम्हाला काही स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न्स दिलेले असतील, त्यांच्यामध्ये कोणतं स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न हे टॉटॉलॉजी आहे, कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन आहे की कंटिंजन्सी आहे हे आपल्याला एक्झामाइन करायचं आहे. We know when the statement pattern is tautology, contradiction and contingency when all the entries or the truth value for all the combinations of prime components true, then we say the statement pattern is tautology. When it is false, we say it is contradiction, and when it is neither true nor false, then we say it is contingency. So the first example is P implies Q if and only if negation P or Q. To examine tautology, contradiction and contingency, first of all we find the truth table for the given statement. So here we consider the truth table. Now the truth table, here we require these columns. I consider prime components as P and Q here. I consider all the possible combinations for P, Q. From that, here write the negation P. Now first of all we find P implies Q. P implies Q is false only when P is true, Q is false. So now P implies Q. So T implies T, T. T implies F, F. F implies T, T. F implies T, T. Now we find a double implication for P implies Q and negation P or Q. We know the double implication is true only when both the statements have same truth value. So here see T double implies T, T. F double implies F, T. T double implies T, T. T double implies T, T. Means here we observe that for all the possible combinations of prime components, the truth value for given statement pattern is true. That is, the last column has all entries T and therefore it is a tautology, and therefore all the truth values in last column are T, hence it is a tautology. Now the second example, negation of negation P and negation Q or Q. Here the prime components are again P, Q. So first we consider the truth table for given statement pattern. I write here all the possible combinations for P and Q. From P, Q, I write here their negations, that is negation P, negation Q. Now first we find negation P and negation Q, means conjunction for negation P, negation Q. It is true only when both the statements are true, otherwise it is false. So here F and F, F, F and T, F, T and F, F, T and T, T. Now in the next column we write their negation. Negation is obviously we change only the truth value. F becomes T here. So here T, 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 F. These are the entries in the negation of negation P and negation Q. Now we find the disjunction for negation of negation P and negation Q and Q. The disjunction is true if one of the two statement is true, otherwise it is false. So T or T, T, T or F, T, T or T, T, F or F, F. Now here we observe that the truth value is varies. Sometimes or for some combinations it is true and for some combination it is false. And so this statement is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. So it is a contingency. So the truth values in the last column are not same. We know for the tautology all the entries are T, for the contradiction all the entries are F. Here we observe all the entries are not same, hence it is contradiction. Now the next example is P implies negation Q or R if and only if negation of P implies Q implies R. Here the prime components are P, Q and R. There are three prime components. So here first we construct the truth table, and for that here we write all the possible combinations of these P, Q and R. Again we require negation Q here, so we write here negation Q. Now first we find negation Q or R, means disjunction of negation Q, R. It is true when one of the statement is true, otherwise it is false. So find that here F or T, T, F or F, F, T or T, T, T or F, T, F or T, T, F or F, F, T or T, T, T or F, T. So these are the entries in negation P or Q. Now P implies negation Q or R, means implication of first and fifth column. The implication is false when first statement is true and second statement is false. So here T implies T, T, T implies F, means here first statement is true and the second statement is false. So the truth value is false. Next T implies T, T, T implies T, T, F implies T, T, F implies F, T, F implies T, T, F implies T, T. So now next we require Q implies R. Again remember that implication is false when first statement is true, second statement is false. Means here order is necessary. Means here we consider entries in Q first and then in R. So T implies T, T, T implies F, F. Now F implies T, T, F implies F, T, T implies T, T, T implies F. It is false. Now F implies T, T and F implies T, again T. Now we find the implication of P and Q implies R. So P implies Q implies R. Here the first component is P, means first prime factor or first statement is P and second one is Q implies R. Again here order is necessary because the implication is false when first statement is true, second statement is false. So here P and this column means first and seventh column are used. So T implies T, T, T implies F, F, T implies T, T, T implies T, T, F implies T, T, F implies F, T, F implies T, T, and F implies T, T. So now the ninth column is negation of column number 8. So obviously we write here negation as in this way. Now in the 10th column, see here, we have to find a double implication for these two given statements here. That means double implication of column number 6 and 9. See this 6 and 9. Now double implication is true only when both the statements have same truth value, otherwise it is false. Now see here what we get. T double implies F, F, F double implies T, F, T double implies F, 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 F. Because here we observe that none of the two statements have same truth value. So here their double implication is false in all the cases. That means all the entries in the last column of given statement pattern is F, means false, and therefore here it is the contradiction, and therefore I write here all the truth values in the last column are F, hence it is contradiction. Now here is some homework for you that we will solve at home. Here in the first problem we have to find the truth table for the given statement patterns. In the second example, using the truth table, we have to prove some logical equivalences here. In the third example, we have to examine the statement is tautology, contradiction, or contingency. Now solve these problems for homework. Till stay home, stay safe. Thank you.